Did you know that while Swanson is famous for its frozen dinners, it has also become a leading brand in broths? Let's explore why they offer both and how these products complement each other. Swanson started with frozen dinners in the 1950s, revolutionizing home cooking by offering quick and easy meal options for busy families. Today, Swanson has expanded its range to include various broths. These are used as foundational ingredients in many recipes, from soups to sauces and gravies. Broths offer home cooks a simple way to add flavor without the complexity of making stocks from scratch. Swanson's broths are convenient and can be easily incorporated into daily meals. An example of using broth is in a beef stew, where whisked cornstarch mixed with Swanson's beef broth thickens the sauce and adds rich flavor. By offering both frozen dinners and broths, Swanson caters to a wide range of consumer needs, from quick meals to home-cooked dishes that require quality ingredients. Swanson's diverse product line reflects their commitment to providing both convenience and culinary flexibility to the modern consumer. Understanding. Swanson's range can help you find the right products for your cooking needs. Which product from their line do you think is the most versatile?